Introducing Peak Original Equipment Technology Antifreeze and Coolant, designed to eliminate the guesswork when choosing coolant by matching the specific technology and color requirements of Asian, European, and North American vehicle manufacturers. Over the past 20 years, the U.S. vehicle market has become more complex as the number of Asian and European vehicles in the market has grown. This has led to increased coolant technology complexity because vehicle manufacturers have different engine corrosion protection requirements, increasing the number of coolant colors used to identify them, resulting in a fragmented antifreeze and coolant market with no single product line able to cover all requirements. Until now, with the launch of Peak's OET antifreeze and coolant. Peak's OET line of coolants covers technology and color requirements for all Asian, European, and North American vehicles, simplifying coolant selection for the consumer. Let's take a look at the full line. Peak European OET antifreeze and coolants are specifically formulated with low or no silicate and no phosphates or nitrites, matching all European OE technology and color requirements. This range features European blue, pink, and violet coolants to provide complete coverage across Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Jaguar, Porsche, Land Rover, Saab, Volvo, and Fiat Alfa Romeo. The Peak Asian OET antifreeze and coolants are phosphate-based coolants with no silicate or nitrites to match all Asian OE technology and color requirements. This range features Asian red, pink, blue, and green to provide complete coverage across Honda Acura, Toyota Lexus Scion, Nissan Infiniti, Mazda, Hyundai Kia, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Suzuki. The Peak North American OET antifreeze and coolants are specifically formulated with low or no silicate, borate, phosphate, or nitrites to match all North American OE technology and color requirements. This range features North American green, gold, and orange to provide complete coverage across Ford, GM, and Chrysler. With Peak OET, choosing the right coolant is easy. Peak OET provides color-coded bottles and labels that match the OE color specification, and each label clearly lists the covered vehicles. In addition, Peak provides vehicle application charts at the shelf and online at peakauto.com. These eliminate the guesswork when choosing the right coolant, leaving consumers feeling confident they are getting the job done right. Peak OET is available in full strength and 50/50 formulas. With a complete flush and fill, they are guaranteed to provide cooling system protection for up to 5 years or 150,000 miles. Peak Original Equipment Technology Antifreeze and Coolant, a perfect match for every vehicle.